and welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed already and you like the look of this video, then please subscribe because it's gonna be that kind of theme going on. You're probably gonna like everything. So anyway, today's video is about these straighteners, and I don't really know how to say that. Kimi, these straighteners. Anyway, I saw this video on Facebook and I had to buy it. So this is my video on, are they good? Do they work? So first things first, they're actually quite big. In this video, you want to see what I think about them, and if it actually is like this video, then please keep watching. So first things first, you open the box and these are what the straighteners look like. So they are quite big. The thing I like about them is that they've got, so I'm in the UK and we have the 3-pin prog. 3-pin prog? What is that? The 3-pin plug. And obviously in America or other countries it is the 2-pin thing. So I like that it's given you the option to be able to use both, which I don't know, I just wrote that. So first of all, they feel really nice. They don't feel too heavy. They feel really good. I'm not really sure about, I'm guessing you can turn the temperature up. Yeah, so I'm guessing there's a power button. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. Yeah, there's a power button here. And then there's different temperatures. So 160, 200 I think it was. 160, 180, 200 and 220. So what I'm going to do is, I chopstick curled my hair the other week. And, oh hold on, let's turn this off. Okay, so you can't turn them off. So once they're plugged in, they are, I'm guessing, on. Okay, so they're getting hot already. Oh my god, they heat up very, very quick. So anyway, I chopstick curled my hair. I brushed it out last night. So obviously right now my hair is frizzy. If I don't know if it's even going to work on this hair, because I have not tried these at all. So I'm going to turn them up. Do I turn them? I'm going to try 200. Let's try 200 because that is hot, let's face it. So yeah, what I will say is, when I was buying these, it made it sound like these are steam straighteners, and the little clip on one of them, like I'll try and find it and put it here, is this was the same clip that was with this brand, and the link that I bought it for, and it had like a little water thing on the top that you put water in, and it's actually a steam straightener. That's what I thought these were going to be, but they're not. So that's the only thing I would say. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and, I don't know, I'm going to brush a little bit. Okay, so here we go. I don't know whether they make a beep noise. I don't know whether they make a noise when they're heated to the right temperature, but let's just find out. So obviously this is the before. I'm actually scared. Why am I scared? Oh, okay, they're quite tight actually. Okay, so that didn't really do anything. Well, it kind of did, but I don't know. Maybe I should turn them up. Okay, so I'm going to turn them up to 220. I don't know. I mean, first of all, my normal straighteners, I have GHDs. I've had them for like 11 years. I don't even know if my GHDs would straighten that out. Actually, let's do a comparison. So I'm going to plug my GHDs in. I've got these ones, which are, I mean, I think they make them still, but this style. So for comparison, the GHDs are actually quite thin towards this. This is quite a big paddle. So yeah, these are the GHDs. I've literally just turned them on and they will beep when they're ready. So what I will do is I will leave these for a split second, try with the GHDs a tiny little bit and see what it does, and then we'll go in with these. I'm guessing they're hot. I don't want to touch. Yeah, I can feel they're very, very hot. So yeah, I'm going to try them with the GHDs. Oh, they're ready. Try with them first, and then we'll see what old Kimi's like. So let's go in with a tiny little bit here. Let's use the front, like little tiny ditty. Right, so this is the bit I'm going to try with the GHDs. Okay, so GHDs have done well. I didn't know whether it was actually going to straighten, but it has. So Okay, so the GHDs, as you can see, did pretty well. So let's go in with this section with Kimis. I don't actually remember what the temperature of GHDs are, but anyway, so these are set on the 220 option. Okay, my brush just fell off. So here we go, let's see. The woman actually looked like she was pushing quite hard. But let's see what it does. Okay. Okay, so I would say it's not as straight as the GHDs, but she was proper like doing this though, wasn't she, in that video? I know she had like a comb, but I never get on with that. Okay, so actually they're not bad. Are they steam? No. Let's proper clamp it because it's not as clampy as... Okay, obviously I don't know as well how quick these heat up because they're not beeping or anything. Let's try another little bit. So this is obviously a really, really curly bit. I'm going to proper clamp it this time because I feel like that's what you're meant to do. They feel very hot though. Okay, so that does straighten, doesn't it? I mean, that is very, very good. What I will say is my GHDs, they're like £100. This was 20 quid, I think. Let's see if they do a curl. Because I always find it really hard to curl with straighteners, but... let's see if it curls. What I will say is it's quite slippy as well. Like my GHDs really grip to the hair. That's not what you want when So what I will say is it has curled the bottom actually quite nicely. My hair is quite thick, by the way. I mean, it's not done a bad curl, has it? But I don't know. So all in all, is it like the videos? No. Like, honestly, I don't know I don't know how it would work on your hair. Definitely straightened. But yeah, all in all, it's not like that video. Are they good though? Yeah, like they're pretty good for £20. As you can see, like it has straightened it. My GHDs are just as good. However, the price range, these are cheaper. The only thing I don't like is you have to unplug it. The power button does not turn it off. Yeah, so the power button does not turn it off, as you can see. It's not too bad, close up. Like it has straightened, it's not dead straight, but it has straightened. So yeah, the power button does not turn it off, which I think is a little bit of a design flaw. But yeah, all in all, they're quite good for the price, to be fair. If you would like them, I'll try and find the link somewhere. But I thought I'd review them because they're not like, if you see them at the video for you and you click the link and that's the product, it's not that. They're not the steam straighteners. Are they alright? Yes, they work, but they're not steam and they're not like a miracle straightener. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all again very, very soon for another haul. For another review type thing. So yeah, thank you. And if you want to see this eye look, I did film that and I will link it below when that is out. So thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye.